If you're comparing hosting options and searching for a working Hostigner coupon code, this quick Hostigner review will help you make the right choice. Hostigner is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also unlock an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostigner review, what really stands out is how much you get for the price. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, LiteSpeed servers, and the Hostigner website builder, which makes creating and managing a website very simple. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. Hostigner is often considered one of the best web hosting options available right now. So if you want to use the latest Hostigner coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.